The top 5 best gaming desks recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. L-shaped gaming desk. This desk is equipped with a monitor stand and iron hook to extend the desktop space and give you more space to store items, leaving you more space for working, studying, and gaming. Overall dimensions are 51, LX 51, LX 18, WX 30.4, H. The monitor shelf can be moved at will according to your needs. The iron hook can be installed either on the left or right according to your usage habits. All tools needed are included. You can assemble the desk within 30 minutes. The desktop and frame are made of strong and durable material and you will use it without worries. Recommendation number 2. Vitus Gaming Desk 55-inch. The best way to ensure a fluid gaming experience is having an organized station, and that being said, there's nothing more satisfying than having an organized and easy accessibility for everything on. Aggressive-looking desk which is geared towards esport fanatics and serious gamers who want to have a real battle station around your table design. Why is a major benefit about this gaming desk is aesthetic value coupled with the ability to customize it by removing things that are not needed. Recommendation number 3. Eureka Ergonomic Zone S Gaming Desk. Zone S Gaming Desk equips with LED lighting on armors. Plug the USB into your gaming PC or laptop, and the immersive RGB light will bring you to combat mood. Large desktop with smooth carbon fiber texture will transform into a broad battlefield, allowing you to arrange your gaming monitors, keyboard, and other gaming gears on the field. Dimension of 44.49, LX 24.21. W supports wide monitors up to 40. Package includes convenient cup holder, headphone hook, controller stand, under-desk socket holder, and an extra-large mouse pad. Recommendation number 4. Mock L-shaped gaming desk 51 L-shaped desk. Full L-shaped desk with optional space-saving monitor shelf. The L-shaped structure designed for fully utilize your home and office space. This L-shaped desk beautifully snuggles into a corner space, filling the edges of the area against the wall, creating more floor space in the center of the room. This L-desk also comes with a detachable and switchable monitor riser stand, offering you extra space for storage and for gaming activities. Having this L-shaped desk feels like having 2 desks at once. With an L-shaped desk, one wing of the desk can be used for a computer or laptop. Recommendation number 5. Desino Gaming Desk 47-inch PC Computer Desk. Desino Professional Gaming Desk. Designed for game lovers, bring a better experience for each gamer. Added cup holder, headphone hook, and monitor stand riser compared to the basic computer desk. The desktop uses a unique carbon fiber texture and has an ergonomic wraparound shape. Add diagonal braces and struts to make the structure more stable than a regular desk. Except for the manual, you can also refer to the installation video on the page.